That's Charlie, and I've got Ben Pickin, challenge lock number 2, Anchors Away. Here's the bidding. Seems to be a pretty challenging bidding. He works perfectly. And I received this lock from Pickaholic. I was just trying to get in here counterclockwise, and it did not pan out. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Clockwise. Okay. At least going counterclockwise, I was having trouble setting number 6. I had to go real high. So I assume that I'll have the same problem with 4. There's a nice little false set. I am going to switch picks real quick to this 15 thousandths hook 4. I think I have to take that out of there for a minute. There we go. Close. There we go. Feels pretty close, like it's gonna open, but let's see. Boy, I'm not sure about number 6. Okay. That was 5, I do believe. There's 1. At least part way on 2. I don't know about 3. I think I just got 6. I am impressed with this false set here, and I do like that. That's fun. There, we're finally open. Wow, that was, I think that was on 5. Man, that was fun. And I did see Pickaholic pick this recently, but I did not watch the gutting. So I'm really interested in seeing what he put in here. Yeah, I knew that he had mentioned in the video, you know, if you know or think that you're getting a package from him, if you'd like it, to let him know. And I said, hey, if no one has called dibs on it, I'd really like to see that. So I didn't watch the gutting, because I like surprises. So let's check it out. See what Pickin put in here. We will use a shim for sure. Oh, well, I hope. All right. And that should fit. Okay. Take that shim out before I forget. Maybe. We'll deal with it later. Okay, looks like we've got, oh yeah, number 2 was an overset trap for sure. Didn't need to be picked at all. Everything else did have to be picked, but not too much, besides number 6. 6 definitely needed to be picked pretty far. Interesting. Wow. Very cool. From the key, I would have expected the bidding to be a little different than that. There's a bomb style with number 1. We'll skip 2 for now, I guess. Serrated 3. Come on. Well, we'll just take these in the order that they fall out. Really nice mushroom type spool in 6. A bomb type spool in 5. I guess I'll poke this out. Get out of there. Number 4. Oh man, that's tight. Oh boy. Wow, that was really tight. And number 2, I wonder if that's really tight also. Let's see. Not as tight. Interesting. I'll need to check out number 4. And we've got 1 and 2 seem to be clean. 3, 4 is clean. 5 is threaded. 6 is clean as well. And then we've got up top number 1. We have serrated and a steel spring. Whoops, that spring just went flying. There it is. Number 2. Whoa! That's a very long spool. And a copper spring. Very short copper spring. That is a really cool spool. Into number 3. We've got spool, maybe a little mushroom action to it, and a steel spring. Number 4. Whoa, wow, that is, holy moly, that is wild. That's cool. That's a cool T-pin. Very, very long, and then there's serrations, and then a little weak, looks like a weak copper spring. And then number 6, we've got a T-pin spool. Very cool, man. Very cool. Another one of those short copper springs. Oh, I lost this one. I will have to check. I assume it goes like this, so that it's a little bit of a T-pin. All right, and then steel spring. I'll have to see if I can look in the video or check out Pickaholic's video. And we have threading in 1, 3, 5, and 6 of the Bible. It appears. And there's a little, there's a little bit of some type of scoring on number 2 and 6. Let's check that out. I don't know what that is exactly. It kind of like bored out, like 0.5 millimeter. It made the first little bit of the driver chamber wider, it appears. That might be hard to see, but that's really cool. Okay. Yeah, I don't. I'll have to think about that and exactly what it does, but very interesting. But these pins are really cool too. So we've got this bomb style in 1, serrated above it, serrated in 2, and this really nice spool with a serration on it. Deep spool too in number 2. Serrated in 3, a spool above it, standard in 4, short standard, and this really cool T-pin, mushroom, serrated, everything's there. Every type of pin, it seems. Bomb type spool, and then I think this one goes this way. I will have to do some checking. It's very, very interesting little pin. Then a mushroom type spool in 6, and then a T-pin, a T-pin spool, serrated spool. That's just it. That's really, really cool. I do want to see what these look like at rest, because I think I may have been fooled. I think some of the pins may have been a little bit stuck when I first pulled it. Whoa, that is really stuck in there. Okay, I think that's really, really tight. That's interesting. Number 2, 3, 4 is super tight as well. Oh, there. Five and 6. Oh, just lost it. I have no idea where that went. I'll have to. There it is. gonna say I'll have to do some searching, but I definitely do want to see this and share because it's a really, really cool lock. I do want to check out this key. Alright, so there's that. Yeah, perfect. That's absolutely perfect. And I will now poke these down. Man, that is crazy how tight number 2 and 4 are. Okay, so we've got that T-pin is so cool, man. Although it's not going down. I don't know what's up with that. It's like it's not fitting quite. It's just kind of sitting there. The T-pin's definitely coming into play. All right, very cool. There we go. I'll fix number 3. Thank you, Ben Pickin, for sending this out and making it. And thank you, Pickaholic, for sending it to me. Everybody be good and be well.